so you should probably record their landing.
What map is this? Is this... Yeah, this looks like Ruhr.
Yeah, I think it's Ruhr that they modded Gaijin and just said, hey, do your aerobatics here. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's Tankering in his B-25 as usual. I think Andy is just ignoring me. Because I've invited him to all these air shows and stuff, and he just never responds. Is he still the leader of Mayhem?
Yeah, he is.
Huh. Okay, he's just ignoring me.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. I'm coming in.
That's what
This
she said.
is callsign Goose. I have parked, and my engine is off.
Affirmative.
Switching over to tower.
Happy for you. That is a pretty airplane.
So is the left field the spectator view, or is it the right one?
So on the map that they sent out, that kind of just weird spot right in the middle of all the grass, that's the spectator area. Where Tall Pig is, that's the display area.
Alright.
I don't know why they have two different areas, but that's just how it works.
L13 callsign Viper request taxi to the formation. Correction, display area parking.
TL13 call sign New Zealand Flyer permission granted taxi to the display area.
Good taxi, Viper.
Elemental, please hold short of the runway. Yeah, that was a very interesting approach, Sesto.
I've done worse.
Sesto, you need to be on tower frequency, by the way.
Alright. I've never really done something official like this before.
Yeah, head over to tower before they start yelling at you.
Alright.
Possible, and hold short just before you contact ground.
Got it.
I mean, you.
No, I know this. It's, you know.
Was that Iron Man Mark 7?
Yeah. Hey, Iron Man Mark 7, hold on.
Sorry about that tower.
No worries.
No worries. Iron Man Mark 7, you have. Please hold short of the runway until P-47D is vacated.
Alright, switching to tower.
Dusseldorf Tower, Skull Flight of 3, Flight of 4, sorry, requesting permission to land. We have been in the pattern for a minute here.
Permission denied. You have been in the queue shorter than Iron Man Mark 7 in his F4E. Permission granted after he's landed.
Okay, so number 2 clear to land.
Yeah. Roger.
Mission is taxi. Should be clear to land.
Yeah, so Iron Man Mark 7, you have permission to land when ready.
That was a pretty CL13.
Kidding.
Super mysterious, smexier than CL13.
Incorrect.
Negative.
Cannot change my mind.
Haha, P40 P-ball.
So that was callsign Viper. Is callsign Viper within this frequency? No, I'll switch over to ground frequency and inform him of turning off.
Alright, I'll be taking up first tower. Alright, Radio Panda
F3S.
and your group of F3Fs, please hold on.
Please hold
do you want us to go around?
Yeah, go
yes,
around,
please. The F4E has
Be
not
next.
vacated.
Be next.
We'll be switching over to Jungle Force shot for now.
Alright.
Roger.
Skull Fighter 3 entering a left traffic pattern. Or
Roger.
Flight 4, sorry.
No, it's completely fine.
Roger.
Just don't want collision from runway.
Yeah, we were under the impression we were number 2 clear to land, so we were coming in.
No, it's alright.
Yeah,
Our
yeah,
bad on that.
you were number 2, but the F4E hadn't vacated the runway yet, just for safety
Uh-oh.
reasons.
Alright.
Sorry for any inconvenience there.
Alright, do you want to call our base, or should we call our own base?
You should be able to call your own base, in this case.
Alright, copy, we clear to land, or?
Yeah, you're clear to land now.
F4E has not cleared the runway, I believe.
I mean, we're
It's
gonna fly
still
out pretty
on
far before I tell them that we're clear, so.
Yeah.
Right, Roger.
Just wait till
Alright.
it's clear and then you're...
Alright, number 1, clear to land. Runway, whatever.
Runway 04.
Alright. Why, hello there, Nathan.
Good evening. Jake, Jake, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine.
Let's sort out an agreement here. Why don't you do the tower whilst the axe are doing? So people taking off their axe and such. And there's no confusion.
I mean, that's the verbal thing is, we're gonna have to switch.
Yeah.
Be taken a couple of... I mean, I guess we could switch off every other one for now.
Yeah. Okay.
Why, hello there, Jake.
F3S, you are clear to land when ready. Runway is vacated.
I have already informed them of this.
Roger.
Just let
That is a nice
Alright.
formation.
fairly clear. Yeah.
Okay, tower, Z91, access for permission to land.
Oh yeah, it's all coming
permission
together.
denied. There's an F3S squad
yeah,
landing
it's
on the
all
runway.
together.
You have been put third in the permission to land after Sisto Elemento.
Copy.
Skull Flight 3 has touched, is down on the runway.
Roger.
Alright. Alright.
Flight of Force,
Proceed
sorry.
to taxiway and contact ground frequency when before taxiing off. To let
Alright,
you
proceed to the
get
next
land.
taxiway and contact ground before taxiing.
Roger.
Good day.
Have a good day.
Call sign Sesto Elemento, you have permission to land when ready after the F3S have vacated the runway.
Roger that.
Call sign Tankerang, you are second in the queue for landing. Please do not attempt a landing at this moment.
Roger that.
I think this is the most professional air show I've ever been to.
Yeah,
Same.
Like, yeah.
It's working quite well actually.
And honestly, this is the least chaotic air show
I
I've
know,
also
right?
been to.
Yeah, because there's not everyone in one channel at once. Everyone's being let knowing what to do.
Who is Doom Turtle?
Doom Turtle.
I'm not sure.
He is.
I believe he's with
I don't see him.
Tankerang. He's flying.
Who's that?
This is Raid Bandit. Who's the land?
Oh, there he is. He is.
Jake,
Please clear comms, please. We've got someone asking a question.
Jake,
Go on.
it's like you're giving me a pat on the back.
This is Raid Bandit. Who's the land?
Permission denied.
Permission.
You are third in the queue. No, you're
Sounds good.
fourth in the queue, sorry.
Thank you.
Um,
Okay, thank you.
You may land after the B-25 and F4U.
Holding pattern left.
Sounds good.
Roger.
Tower, what number am I in the queue?
Who are you?
Sesto Elemento.
Yeah, you are first at the moment.
We have a wipeout on the spectators area. Blindy Beams has crashed.
Oof. Right, okay. Sesto Elemento, you are clear to land when ready.
Alright.
F3S has cleared the runway.
Requesting
I'm not
permission to
sure
land.
entirely what to do in this situation. I think he should J out and loop around, wait for everyone else to land, and then land
Well,
and
if
join
he
his squadron.
Okay, well, if he can respawn on the runway, we can clear the runway once Sesto off, or he can
I'll
come around and
inform
have
I'll inform
priority.
him of this.
I'd rather, though, that he have priority. His rest of his team is already landing. Or landed.
Yeah, I agree.
Nathan, do you want me to over there?
Yeah, if you want to come over here.
Alright.
Yeah, you get good visibility of the whole runway over, and especially
Yeah.
where they touch down.
Alright. Once they clear the taxiway.
Taxiway does not
Right.
look clear.
No, I know. Once the taxiway gets clear, I will go ground and let them know. Alright. Blindy Beam, please follow.
Don't worry about
taxiway.
Blindy Beams. He accidentally spawned on the
Yeah,
runway
he's
before.
taxiing
that's
over here. He's cleared
Yeah.
the runway now.
Alright.
Okay, that's
Sesto
great.
Elemento, land when ready, please.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm glad he crashed like that and not like a full-on whiteout
Yeah,
as he was
because-
landing, because otherwise that would go up in flames.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't want flames on the runway because we'd have to redo them.
Damn, those guys are really professional.
What, the F3Fs?
Yeah.
I saw them at the last air show. They were really nice.
I don't think I've
I'd
seen
love to see
before.
them do like an A4B display.
Yeah,
That
it
would be
was.
interesting.
Like Blue Angels.
There seems to be a difference today in how many what types of displays. Sorry that I just sliced half your cock.
Quick Jake, I'm not entirely sure what you're doing at the moment.
I'm going over to Nathan so I can get a better view for ATC.
Roger, just inform ATC of this.
Or ground. Yeah, no, I just let them.
Okay, Roger.
Flying over in a Spitfire. How full is the landing queue?
Tower requesting
Sesto
permission to
Elemento,
taxi.
You have to go to ground for that.
You must hold short of the taxiway and contact ground
Alright.
frequency, please. Cheers.
Alright.
Ground frequency requesting permission to taxi.
Oh shit. Ground beam does. My aircraft is stuck on a hangar, so I might just J out and spawn at like B.
Affirmative. If you J out, please respawn in the air and not on the runway.
Alright, I can do that. I'll contact tower.
Alright.
Ground frequency requesting to taxi.
Who is this?
Sesto Elemento.
Alright, F4 Sesto Elemento, permission granted, taxi to the display area.
Alright. Where's the map? In what chat?
Say again?
Where's the map in the Discord chat?
I will send it to you momentarily.
Alright.
Alright, you should have it now. What do you want, Tank Boy? Yeah, I know, thank you.
Okay, yep, I was going in the right direction.
So are you parking at the display or the spectator area?
Display.
Okay, alright. Just making sure, 'cause you stopped. And, ooh, that'll be fun. B-29 inbound.
Ooh.
Everybody uses these small fighters and stuff, but big planes are so much more fun.
I could have brought a Tu-4, but it would have taken a lot of time to land.
Jay out and do it. We still got... Never mind, we only have 4 minutes till this is supposed to start. And there's a ton of people still landing.
Why is he running backwards?
Facing the taxiway. Anchoring, you better get on my frequency, buddy. I know you.
Fellow Mayhem member.
There you go. Good boy.
Ground requesting permission to taxi to the spectator area.
25, call sign tankering, permission granted, taxi, spectator area, straight ahead of you.
Roger that.
I must say, this is really well organized.
Yeah, better than mine. Well, it's the first air show these guys have held, so they're like super just freaked out.
And
It took like 2 days to get permission for me to use this heli for ATC.
I remember the first Mayhem air show. I don't think it was really organized. It was
With
more like,
FBB?
yeah, FBB and Mayhem.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Port map isn't the best, but at least you could use tanks.
Yeah, I got.
But honestly, for air shows, it's better to just have planes.
I got the Northie Park cargo port map, so you can have helicopters, planes, and ships and planes.
Yeah, I played on that a couple times yesterday. Oh, for some reason I thought there'd be a lot more people here.
That's
All the advertising these guys have done.
That Seal 13 does look nice.
Eh.
Eh.
I'm researching the MiG-21 and I haven't even purchased the 163. So I'm not getting any of the CLs anytime soon.
Yeah, I'm researching the F-104G right now.
What country is that?
It's in the Germans.
Ah.
I'm too lazy to go for the Russians.
That's right above the CL-13s, right?
No, it's right above. It's below the F-86K.
Oh yeah, it goes CL-13s, then the F-86 with the weird nose, and then the 104.
I don't know why they made the repair cost of the CL-13 Mark 6 so expensive.
Who knows?
Ground, this is Raid Bandit. Shit taxi.
Alright, Spitfire call sign raid. Are you parking in the display or spectator areas today?
The spectator.
Alright, Spitfire call sign bandit. Permission granted, turn right the nearest taxiway and continue to the spectator area.
Affirmative.
You'll probably be parking next to Tankerang, somewhere in that area.
Yeah.
I need to turn down my engine. Other players' engine 50. Whoa, that's it. If you look in the TV screen of the KA-50 when you've locked on a target, it doesn't show the Spitfire's gear being down. He's just floating.
Have you ever been to a real life air show?
Yeah, I've been to Oshkosh in 2015 and 2018, and a couple smaller ones. What the? Just please stop. Whoever did that, please don't. My hearing isn't that good already. I'm 18, I'm losing my hearing.
Ouch. Yeah, I went to Myanmar with Garner Pony like twice.
Oh, you know in real life, cool.
Yeah, best friends.
Your BFFs?
Yes.
German Gaijin. Oh yeah, this guy doesn't know how to taxi. Speak of the devil. Alright, I'm gonna need a call sign. Whoever's asking a taxi is this German Gaijin.
What?
Is this German Gaijin that is asking to taxi?
Yeah.
Alright, G91 call sign German Gaijin, permission granted. Where will you be taxiing today, display or spectator?
I'll be landing at the...
Alright, German Gaijin, you need to keep moving and get off the runway. There are aircraft landing behind you. Turn right at the nearest taxiway.
Fire area.
I realise how dodgy I am on the. Oh, I'm not parked very well.
That B-29.
And once you are parked, everybody, you can switch over to general. Just letting you know. Alright, German Gaijin G91, you're clear to taxi to the display area.
Swear to God.
I know, you gotta be rattled.
I am pissed because we were just told to go around for a G91 at the end of the runway, clearing the runway. I'm told to land after this B-29, and oh my God, I want to shoot him.
13,000 feet out. You could go and approach for that B-29, which is 20,000.
Yeah, I could. I totally could. I was literally just on approach, and they told me to go around. You see that G91 taxiing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, just
I was told to go around because of him.
German
He was
Gaijin?
literally exiting the airfield.
Yeah.
No, by I think it was by Jake.
No, he's talking about the G91.
Oh yeah, the G91. Yeah.
And now the G91's parking.
Cessna, why are you backwards?
Jesus Christ.
Who?
Alright, I'm gonna go back on tower to make sure I'm not getting yelled at.
What's Cessna?
I know. I'll flip around.
Please.
Your butt is facing
You
towards
just look
it.
like that one kid that's like fed up with everybody's shit. It's like, no, I don't want to talk to you no more.
No.
You were mean to me. Don't talk to me.
Do not talk to me.
I
think Ace of the Ace was a little bit confused. Ace of the Ace, I think he was confused.
Why so?
Because he came into the wrong channel too, so I think he was supposed to go into ATC.
Yeah, he was.
And his mic is dog crap.
Well, yours isn't any better either, so.
But what? Mine's fine. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
that's a hurricane that just...
That's a hurricane. That's a honking hurricane.
Oh, now we have a fire on the runway.
Nice.
Great.
Happy now.
You know, from a standpoint, this is what happens when you have people fly out to come in. I mean, I've never run a fucking air show before, so I mean, but I've been to quite a few, so I know a thing or two.